Alright guys, trying a different setup here. I got my GoPro with a mic here, so hopefully that'll be better audio and everything for y'all. But today we're going to be cleaning out the engine bay. So I know for sure these fender wells, probably these what are they called, reservoirs, the AC is definitely going. Let me know if I can reuse those motor mounts, because I'm not 100% sure. But yeah. So anyway, so I guess we'll just cut to a time lapse. Probably would be the best thing. Alright, let's cut to a time lapse of me just tearing everything out. Alright, so I don't know if you see me struggling or not, but that last bolt, I don't know if I can zoom in on this or not. I cannot. I don't like that. But that bolt right there, it's super rusty. So I got a super soaking and super Zilla right now. But I guess we'll just go to the other side while that soaks. And then, I don't know, start on some other stuff, I guess. Alright, we got both of the fender liner things out. Already so much more room. Next, I guess, is the AC. I've never taken out an AC things before, so I'm going to have to look that up a little bit. But luckily, y'all just get to cut to whenever I'm taking it out. So we'll cut to that. Alright guys, so we got everything pulled out. I had a cut a couple wires, threw them all over here. Got the AC stuff out, and this is the engine bay now that all that extra junk is out. There's a couple things that I'm gonna do, like all this stuff over here. I'm gonna do whenever I do the interior strip, so stay tuned for that. Also, anyone who has done this swap before, let me know if I need any wires or anything from this. So, but yeah, that's stripping the engine bay, and I'll catch y'all whenever I probably do the interior.